Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Abror, how are you?
I'm good.
How was your day today?
I'm good.
Did you go to school?
Mm-hmm.
What did you study in math?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean nothing? Is it the name of the topic or unit name? Nothing?
No.
So what did you do in the class, Abror? Tell me. You just sat in the class doing nothing for 1 hour?
Yes. Yes.
Interesting. Who's your teacher?
Miss Mixpans.
All right, Abror, if you're ready, keep your notebook open on your table. Let's continue. So I'm going to teach you everything here. Today, we are going to see two special case of straight, what is this? Straight lines or linear functions. ABROR, 14th of February, 2025. Okay. Vertical and the horizontal lines. All right. Okay. ABROR, now we will see two special lines. One is vertical line and other one is horizontal line. And see their equations. It's very simple equations, yet sometimes students get confused, Okay, read the first one. What is a vertical line? Or the equation of the vertical line?
A vertical line is written in the form x equal a, where
X.
expression huh?
X, not X. X.
X equal a, where a responses to line y-intercept.
X-intercept, right?
Mm-hmm.
A vertical line is written in the form x equals a. So you should understand this, Abror. This x equals a means that we do not have equation in the what equation, right? We do not have y in our equation. You should understand something like this. So here we have 1 times x plus 0 times y is equal to a. Okay, it means this because 0 times y is 0, 1 times x is x, right? X is equal to 8. That's why whatever y is, it disappears. But x is not changing, it's always 8. See, what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is 1, 2, 3, right? So x is equal to 3. In coordinate plane, that is the equation of this vertical line. And how about the horizontal line? Read it.
A
Read it.
horizontal line is written in the
Read it.
form y equal a, where a responses to line y-intercept.
A horizontal line is written in the form y equals a, where a represents the line's y-intercept. As you
Mm-hmm.
see here in this figure, right, the line is intersecting y-axis here. So the equation of the horizontal line graphed above is y is equal to -1. Okay, everyone. So x is equal to 3 on the number line, it's a point. But in xy axis, it is a line. X equals 3 vertical line. Y is equal to -1. It is a horizontal line. Okay, read it. Remember,
Remember, if the line intersects
intersects
the intersects the x-axis, it's x equal a
x.
x. If a line intersects the y-axis, it's y equal a.
Okay, remember, if the line intersects the x-axis, right, it is x equals a, the equation of that line. If a line intersects the y-axis, it is y equals a. Directions. Now let's practice these questions. And also, actually, if you remember, Abror, what is the slope of horizontal line? Hmm?
Equation of the vertical line in graphic
No.
about this.
The slope of the horizontal line, it is 0. Do you remember at the
Mm,
beginning, we actually studied this. See at the top, when we studied about slope, here. You remember this? Types of slope. This one is positive, going up, right? Down, it is negative. Horizontal line, slope is 0. Vertical line, slope is undefined, right? Now, actually, these two cases we have already studied. Now we are studying the third case where slope is 0 or undefined. Okay, write the equation of the line shown on the graph. Okay, what is the equation of this line? Is it x or y?
so, mm, wait, why?
X-intercept, right?
Uh-huh.
So that's why x. X is the x-intercept 1, 2. It is negative 2, right? And so here, remember, if the line intersects the x-axis, it is x equals a. If a line intersects the y-axis, it is y equals a. But in the second one, it is intersecting the y-axis at this point, right? 1, 2, 3. And that's why the equation is y is equal to 3. Okay? And how about in question 3?
Y-intercept.
It is y-intercept, right? So equation will be
Mm-hmm.
y. Y equals what?
Um,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Negative 5.
-5.
Negative 5. Okay? Question 4.
X-intercept.
X-intercept. So x equals
-4.
negative or positive? It's positive.
And it's positive.
It's to the right, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. Positive 4. Okay, question 5.
0. Undefined.
No, no, no. Equation. Yeah, slope is undefined. But what is the equation? It's just overlapping y, right? That means that
Yes.
it is crossing the x-axis at this point. So this will be x is equal to 0. And how about 6 is a horizontal line, y-intercept right here, 1, 2. And that's why the equation is y equals 2. Okay? All right, let's continue. Graph each equation. Now let's graph. Okay, y equals 5 is a horizontal line or vertical line?
Vertical.
No.
Horizontal.
Y equals is some a constant number is horizontal line, right? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is here. So the line will be this. Okay? And how about x equals -1? Is it vertical line or horizontal line?
Vertical.
It is vertical line. X equals -1, right? It is here. So the line will be this. It's a bit hard. I wish we had a ruler on this edge. Okay, that is the line. All right. And how about x equals 3?
Vertical.
It's vertical line, right? Crossing edge 3. So it is 1, 2, 3. It is here. It is here. Okay. All right. Next, y equals -2.
Um, Horizontal.
Horizontal line, right? So horizontal line, it is here at -2. -2 is here. So it's really easy to draw. Just you should know this vertical or how about y equals 4?
Horizontal.
Horizontal line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is horizontal line. All right. And x equals -7.
Mm, mm, vertical line.
Vertical line. Crossing at the x-axis is -7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is here. So vertical line, it will be this line. Oops. Okay. Okay. If I had ruler, I would draw very. Okay. Now, Abra, once again, we know that it's horizontal line, right? Slope is 0. It's a vertical line, slope is undefined, right? Okay. Now let's
Mm-hmm.
answer these questions. Question 13. Read the question.
What is the slope of the line y equal 4?
Y equals 4. Y equals 4 is horizontal line and vertical line.
Horizontal.
Horizontal line. So what is the slope?
Mm, 42.
0, right? Horizontal line slope is 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how a question 14 read it?
What is the slope of the line x equal -2?
So what is this
Uh,
slope? What is the slope of the line? X equals -2. What is -2?
vertical line.
Vertical line. Slope? Undefined, right?
Mhm.
Because vertical line, the slope is undefined. Okay, next.
What is the slope of the line x equals 0?
X equals 0. X equals 0 is y-axis or x-axis?
X-axis.
No.
Y-axis.
Y-axis is a vertical line, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a vertical line because x equals something is a vertical line. That's why slope is undefined. Okay, next.
Which axis is y equal -1 parallel to y equal 1 negative?
No, which axis is x-axis or y-axis? Which axis is parallel to the line whose equation is y equals -1?
X-axis.
Y equals -1. X-axis, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, x-axis because it is horizontal line. And how about 17?
Which axis is x for parallel to y-axis?
It is y-axis. Okay, read question 18.
Um, how does the graph of the y equal 3 differ from y equal 3x graph of the exponent?
How does the graph of y equals 3 differ from y equals 3x? Graph both and explain. And the first one, y is equal to 3, it is just a horizontal line, right?
Right.
Okay, y is equal to 3. Where is it? 1, 2, 3. It is here. So that is the graph of the line. Okay, that is the graph of the line. What is it? Y is equal to 3. And now, how about if we draw the graph of the second one, y is equal to 3x. How do you draw this? One way is make a table quickly, right? This is x and this is y. When x equals, let's say, -1, it is -3. When it is 0, it is 0. When it is 1, it is 3, right? 3 points would be enough. -1, -3, 1, 1, 2, 3. It is here. And the 0 here, 1, 3, 1, 3, this here, right? So now if you just connect these points, you will get the graph. Okay. So now the question is, How does the graph of y equals 3 differ from y equals 3x? How would you explain this?
unknown,
Hmm?
unknown,
One is horizontal line, right?
mm-hmm,
And which is parallel to the x-axis. And the second one is a tilted line, or it is not horizontal, it's not vertical, whose slope is 3, right? Just a second. Okay, because the slope of the first one, y is equal to 3, the slope is 0, and the second one is 3. The second y equals 3x is always increasing, right? So that means that it's a horizontal line and slope is 0. The second one is what we call diagonal line with a slope of 3. That's the difference. The horizontal line slope is 0, and I can write here slope is 0, and this one is slope is 3. The first one is a horizontal line with a slope of 0. The second one is, we call this slant line or just diagonal line whose slope is 3. That's the difference between these two graphs. Okay. Now let's do this parts, homework part. Let's do quiz part, okay? Let's do this questions revision, and after that, we will study new topic. How much we can remember now, Mr. Abror? Are you ready? Try to answer a bit faster, okay, Abror? Now you have experience and you have knowledge, and we practice a lot of questions. Everything is about slope and linear graph equations. What is the slope formula, bro?
m equal x,
M equals,
x,
no,
y,
y2 minus y1
uh,
over
mx2 minus x1,
x2 minus x1, right? What is the slope intercept form?
m equal
Slope
xn,
intercept form.
unknown,
Why? How come you don't know? We practice a lot, bro. How can you forget everything? We learn only three, four things. Number one is slope and slope intercept form and standard form, right?
mm-hmm,
The thing before you say, I don't know, think. Try to remember.
m
Y
equal
is equal to mx plus,
mx plus b,
that is the slope intercept form. And how about the standard form?
mm,
Standard form.
mm, um,
AX
plus
plus
b
BY
equals c,
equals C, right? That's the standard form of a linear function. Okay.
mm-hmm.
All right. Read the question. Next.
Find the slope of the line shown on each graph below.
Okay. What is the slope of the first line? Question 4.
Uh, 2 over 3,
Negative or positive?
negative,
It should be negative, right? It is 1. No. You said, what is it?
2 over 3,
2 over 3. Why 2? This is 1, right? Rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is negative 1 over 5, right?
mm-hmm.
Come on. Abror, wake up. Question 5. What is the slope of this line? Hmm? The horizontal line, Abra, we have just studied 0, right?
Yes.
And how about 6? What is the slope of the last line?
Wait. 2/3.
It is positive, right? 1, 2, 3, 2. So it is 2/3. Okay. Next question. Read it.
Find the slope of the line that passes through the two gives points.
Find the slope of the line that passes through the two given points. So using the formula, calculate. Question 7.
Yes. -7 plus 1 equal
Mm-hmm.
and -4 plus 2.
-7 plus 1 over
-6.
-4 plus 2
-6 over -2.
equals
-4.
positive 3.
Yeah, positive 3 there.
Because minus minus, they cancel each other. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So slope of the line which passes through the given points is 3. Now calculate 8.
-13 plus 3.
-13 plus
Negative
3,
10. 6 minus 3.
2.
3. 2, 2, 2, 2. That's 4.
What is -13 plus 3?
Huh?
-10, right?
-10, -10.
And simplify this. Both numbers are divisible by 2, right?
Yes, 2.
Always leave your answer in the simplest form, -5/10. So the slope of this line would be -5/10. Now calculate 9.
-8 minus 4
-8 minus 4 over
and -3 plus 3.
-3 plus 3. Sorry, just -3, right? -3 plus 3. What is -8 minus 4?
-12.
-12. And -3 plus 3?
0.
0. So we cannot define or divide by 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
So slope is undefined.
Number 5.
10?
-1 minus 7.
Mm-hmm.
3 plus 5.
3 plus 5. Okay. So what is -1 plus 7? Minus 7?
-8. -8.
8. -8 divided by 8 equals
8 and 1.
-1.
Mm-hmm.
Because -8 over +8. So slope of this line is -1. Okay. All right. Read the question.
After equation below using the slope-intercept form.
Graph the equations below using slope-intercept form. So that means that we have to use the slope-intercept form, right? So that means that
Mm.
first we have to mark the y-intercept, and after that using the definition of slope, right, that is rise over run, and we can do this. So what is the y-intercept of this equation, Abror?
Y equals -3x plus 8.
No, what is a y-intercept? Slope is -3, right?
Yes, -3.
A y-intercept is 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for let's start with y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first point. And now -3 means that's -3 over 1, right? So run
Mm-hmm.
1 and down 3. 1, 2, 3 is here. Run 1, 1, 2, 3 is here. Run 1, 1, 2, 3 is here. So it is here, 1, it is 3, 3 here. Okay, and I wish I could put ruler here. I'll just connect this. If you just connect this lines, it will be the graph of this line. And how about the second one? What is the slope?
Wait. Y-intercept is 4/5.
Slope is 4/5. But come on in. M is
Mm-hmm.
slope, right?
Mhm.
And y-intercept is -1.
Mhm.
So -1 is here. And 4/5 means that run 5 units, rise 4 units. Run 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is here, right? And the same way in opposite direction, run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rise, I mean down, 1, 2, 3, 4, the second point is here. Now, if we have ruler, I can just connect these points, okay, and it will be straight line. So that is the line of the graph of this equation. Okay, bro. You should know this slope and y-intercept thing really well, Abrar, because you're going to see this a lot, in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th grade math. Okay, read the question.
Convert each equation below the slope-intercept form in the graph. Show or work.
Okay, first we have to convert this to slope-intercept form, then we graph this. Come on, first do it, then we'll graph together. Convert this to slope-intercept form and tell me your equation. Why is it taking so long, Abror?
I'm done.
What is it?
Y equal 4x plus 7.
Good. That's correct. Y is equal to 4x plus 7. So slope is 4, y-intercept is 7, right? Okay, now we're going to graph this. First, y-intercept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is here. So 4, actually, if I go above, I don't have anything. So we should go to the left because 4 means that above 4, I can write it as like this. -4, -1. What does it mean? Walk, run to the left and down, right? So that is to the left, 1, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is here. Again, to the left, 1, 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is here. Right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is here. Okay, these are the points. And now if I just draw this, we will have this kind of line. I connect this, I connect this, and I connect this. With ruler, it will get clearer. What is a graph? Okay, bro. And how about 14? What is the slope intercept form of this x plus y equals 2?
2x
Y equals
0.
-x plus 2, right?
Uh-huh.
We just move. Why are we saying 0? So now the slope. What is the slope? What is the slope of this equation, Abror?
-2 plus
-1.
-1.
Y-intercept?
2.
2. -1 means that again, Abror, -1 means it is -1/1. So y-intercept is 2, 1, 2. It is here. So -1 means that if you run 1 unit, you should go down 1, right? It is here, 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 and just passing through these points. In the opposite direction, also all of these points will be on the number line. If I connect, it looks a bit ugly, but I'm not going to connect these points. Okay, ABROR. Hello.
Oh,
Is it okay?
mm-hmm.
Okay, ABROR. Now do question 15. Convert this equation to slope-intercept form, then we will graph it together.
I'm done.
Done? So what is it?
6x plus 8y. No, wait.
The slope-intercept form.
No, the 4x plus 7.
4x plus 7? It's wrong. Do it again. I'll give you one more minute.
Okay.
We practice a lot and still you're making a mistake, bro. Yes, Aurora.
No,
Hmm?
no.
First, next time we will practice equations with you. Move 6x to the right-hand side. So here we have 8y is equal to negative 6x. Still, I have here negative 32, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now we divide by 8. So y is equal to negative 6 divided by 8, x minus 32 divided by 8. Now we can simplify this. Y equals 6 over 8. Both numbers are divisible by 2. So divide by 2, 3 over 4, x. Minus 32 divided by 8 is 4. So slope-intercept form is negative 3 over 4, x minus 4. So from this equation, what is slope? Slope is negative 3 fourths, and y-intercept is negative 4. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now let's graph this. First, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is here. Okay? And negative 3, 4. So that means that if you run 4 units, you should go down 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It is here. Right? Or 3 up, 4 left. 3 up, 4 left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one's here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is here. As you see here, all of these points on the same straight line. If you just connect this, maybe we can see better. If I connect these points, okay, they're all on the same straight line. That's a graph of this equation. Now do question 16, ABROR. What is the slope-intercept form of this equation?
Negative 2 equal negative x -0.
What is y? Tell me, what is the slope-intercept form of this equation?
1.
What?
-1.
Bro, what does slope-intercept form? It is y equals mx plus b. You should tell me y equals 5x plus 6, or y equals 2x minus 5, or y equals 7x plus 1.
Equal -1.
How do you do that? First, you move negative 2y to the right-hand side. So x is equal to 2y. And now if you divide both sides by 2, we get 1 over 2x is equal to y. But now using the law of symmetry, right, I can write here y is equal to 1 over 2x. What is slope of this equation, Abror? What is slope?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Y-intercept?
2.
0.
Ah.
And nothing is added here, right? You don't see anything. That's why there's 0. Y-intercept.
Mm.
So now if you just plot this, we have here 0. This one is y-intercept. 1 over 2 means that rise 1, run 2, right? 1, 2, run, rise 1. Run 2, rise 1. Run 2, rise 1 is here. In the opposite direction, rise 2, down 1, right? Here, and here, and here, and here. You see all of these points, they form a straight line. If you want to join with my drawing tablet, it's a bit difficult, but I'll try my best to draw a straight line that passes through these points. So that is the graph of this line. All right? You should practice ABROR. If you don't practice, not to just 20, 30 minutes enough, ABROR. If I give you, questions, you should practice 3, 4 questions so that you get more self-confidence and more intuition. Read the next question.
Graph each equation below by finding its x minus and y-intercept show or work.
Graph each equation below by finding its x and y-intercept. Show all your work. Bro, do you remember how did we find x and y-intercept?
Now can
To
you show
find
me?
to find x-intercept, y should be equal to 0, right? To find
Mm-hmm.
y-intercept, x should be equal to 0. Do you remember? So to
Now
do
can you
this
show
one,
me?
Abror, actually we need to make a table. Make a table. Okay. So this one is, let's say this one is x and this one is y. Maybe I can draw one more thing here so that here we have one more table. Okay. So first we have to calculate this. When x equals 0, what is y? When y is equal to 0, what is x? Okay. So if you look at the equation abroad, if x equals 0, right? Look, if x equals 0, so we get here 0 minus 4y is equal to 16. If you solve this equation, I get here y is equal to 16 divided by negative 4. It is negative 4. So when x equals 0, y equals negative 4, that is y-intercept. And to find x-intercept, y should be equal to 0, right? If y is equal to 0, abroad, 4 times 0 is 0. 8x equals 16. And 16 divided by 8, it is 2, right? You see here, 8 times 2 is equal to 18. So now I'm going to plot this x and y intercepts. After that, connect them with a straight line. What is 0, negative 4? Let me change this yellow. 0, negative 4. X is 0, y negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is here, right? And next point, x equals 2, y is equal to 0. So it is 1, 2. It is here. That's another way of graphing straight lines. And now I'm just going to connect these points with a straight line. Okay, just goes to above this line, something like this, and below this line, something like this. Okay? You just redraw this. All right. Abror, now do question 18 and tell me what is x-intercept and y-intercept in a similar way. Draw a table. At the top, the first column, at the top of the first column, write X, and the second column, write Y, and also put zeros. Solve this equation when X equals 0 and Y when Y is equal to 0. Come on.
I'm done.
Yes, what is it? What is X-intercept?
1,
1, 0, right?
yes.
Okay, Y-intercept?
0,
What?
wait.
This is X, it is Y. If
Mm-hmm.
X is equal to 0, right? Y equals -3, right? You see, because minus -3 equals 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if Y is equal to 0, X equals 1, right? Okay, now 0, -3. The Y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, it is here. And 1, 0, 1, 0 is here. You see? And now you can just put your ruler and draw this. That means 1, 3, right? 1, 1, 2, 3 is here. 1, 1, 2, 3 is here. Okay? 1, 1, 2, 3 is here. Or these are the points. I can just actually connect these points. Okay, just continue like this. Okay, Aurora. All right, let's continue. Next, graph the following linear equations. What is the graph of the first equation? X equals 7, Aurora. Huh?
Um, wait,
It is horizontal line or vertical line?
vertical line.
Vertical line, right? And
Mm-hmm.
x-intercept is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is here. So it is this vertical line. Okay. And how about y equals -2?
Horizontal line.
Horizontal line, right? 1, 2. It is this horizontal line. Okay. Next. We'll just start. I'll send it to you. You practice some questions here, okay? Now we'll learn how to write the equation of a straight line. Let me just write here, ABROR, and 14. Okay. Now we'll practice how to write. What is this? Equation of the straight line. Can you read this, ABROR?
Mm-hmm. To write the equation of the line passing 12 points, x1, y1, with slope m, you can use the points slope formula.
Okay. And now, what is the point slope formula? I will explain in a minute. Okay, you should understand the idea, and next week we'll continue. So point slope formula is y minus y1 is equal to, here we have slope, and x minus x1. Okay, so that means that abroad, if you're given the slope of the line, okay, slope means how steep it is, and we know this passes through this point. Let me just label this by P. Its coordinates are x1 and y1. Okay. And also another thing is given. Also, we know the slope. Also, slope is given. At the time we use this formula. Okay. Why is
Mm-hmm.
this? Let's ask to ourselves, why actually does this formula work? And the proof is very simple, Abrar. Look, here, let me just show you, and next time we will continue. And suppose that we are given a line, okay? And suppose it is passing through this point. And let's say every point has coordinates. Its coordinates are x1 and y1. And also I know the slope. Slope is m. I know that. How do you write the equation? To write the equation, let me just pick any point on the line. Okay, so let's say this one is that point. Let me just label this by capital X, whose coordinates are, let's say this x and y. Why x and y? Because it can be any point, right? That's why. And now if I just find the slope of this line, okay, what is the slope of the line? The difference in y, right? That is y minus y1 over difference in x values. That is x minus x1. As you see here, if I move this x minus x1 to the left-hand side, I will have this equation y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Because if you're given a straight line upward, if you just pick any 2 points on the straight line, it gives us the slope of the line, regardless of, their locations. It doesn't matter what points you choose. Every time they give us the same result. And that's why actually this formula it works. Example, now let's just focus on using this slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So ABROR, in this chapter, there's four things now, until now you should know this. Number one, slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b, right? Standard form, ax plus b. ax plus b, ax plus by equals c. Now we added one more point slope formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, they are very commonly used formulas. Okay, bro, let's do some questions and I will finish the class after 5 minutes. Read the directions.
Write the equation of the line that passes through the given point and has the given slope. Write all final answer in slope-intercept form.
Write all your answers in slope-intercept form. Write the equation of the line that passes through the given point, right? The point is given point, and the given slope. Okay? All right. So just we'll practice this formula. Point is given, 4, 1. Slope is given, ABROR. Look, so first, let me just write the formula and substitute, okay? The slope, point slope formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So the given point y, x coordinate is 1. Slope is 2 and x minus x1, that is 4. Now I will distribute the right-hand side and move -1 to the right-hand side. So we'll have here y is equal to 2x, 2 times -4, -8. Move -1 to the right-hand side, it is +1. So the answer would be dot, 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 y is equal to 2x minus 7. Right?
Mm,
Okay, bro. Another one, how about here? I'm just going to put into the formula. Here we have the formula, okay? So it will be y minus y1. What is y1? It is 4 equals slope 1 over
1
2
over 2 equals
times
x
x minus 2,
minus
right?
2.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I
1
distribute the
over
right-hand side. At the same time, move -4 to the right-hand side. So y equals 1 over 2 times x. 1 half, right? X. 1 half times 2. It is just 1. This -4 will be +4 because change in sign. And now just simplify and write the answer. So y will be equal to 1 over 2x. -1 plus 4 is +3. Okay, Abror?
mhm.
The last question, I will finish the class. Okay, do question 3. I will give you 1 minute and we will finish the class. Okay, do question 3. Do it and tell me your final answer in slope intercept form.
Then
What is it?
y equal 2 over 3x plus 4.
Very good. Very good. That's it. So here we have y minus 0 equals 2 third of x minus plus 6. So now if you open the parenthesis, y will be equal to 2 third x plus 2 times 6, 12 divided by 3, it is 4. Okay, Abror? I will reshare this with you, okay? You try the practice and we'll continue from here. Do you have any questions, Abror?
No.
Abror, we are going to have class on Sunday. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Or if you want, you can have tomorrow, but Sunday is better, I think. So I will meet you on Sunday evening, okay? At this time. Okay.
Okay.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.